Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and immediately launching DevTools. Press Ctrl+Shift+I or F12. You can also right-click a page element and select Inspect to focus the Elements panel. This gives you the live DOM and CSS. You need that to change styles or debug scripts. Once DevTools is open, make sure the Elements and Console panels are visible so you can see structure and errors together, which speeds up what you're about to do. Now you dive into editing and debugging. You can click any DOM node in Elements and edit attributes or inner text to test content changes. This shows how layout responds. In Styles, toggle or add CSS rules to fix spacing or color problems and watch Repaint in real time. Meanwhile, switch to Console to run quick JavaScript snippets, inspect objects, and read error stacks. This helps you trace issues from the UI back to the code. Finish by validating performance and network behavior. You should record network activity to spot slow or failing requests and use performance to profile rendering and scripting bottlenecks. These tools tell you why a page lags. Once you've identified a fix, reproduce it with a hard reload or disable cache while DevTools remains open to ensure consistency. If nothing changes, check the console for cores or syntax errors. Those are often the root cause and the quick troubleshooting step to try first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.